with the recent decision in Florida. How do you see it playing out in the judicial branch?
You know, this battle is going to continue on many fronts. Certainly we are seeing legislative battles as the House has tried to repeal Obamacare. The Senate didn't go along, the President wouldn't sign it, but there will be a lot of hearings in Congress to help people understand what's in this law and the impact it is having already, how it's being implemented. That's very important. There's going to be a lot of political debate. I believe that this is going to be a central issue in the 2012 presidential election, and Obamacare is not going to sell any better at the polls in 2012 than it did in 2010. But the legislative battles and the political battles are part of the equation. Yes, it will still continue to be fought in the courts. There are about 22 lawsuits, actually, challenging Obamacare. 28 states have different lawsuits challenging this law, saying it's unconstitutional. Primarily the individual mandate, the mandate that the federal government is telling you that you must buy the health insurance that it requires, even if that policy costs $20,000. And good luck if you think you're going to be eligible for subsidies. Only a small fraction of Americans who are subject to the mandate will be getting subsidies. But the courts will ultimately decide whether or not the individual mandate is constitutional. Very few legal scholars I've talked with believe that they are going to declare the entire law unconstitutional, which means that we are going to continue to have to fight the legislative and political battles. We cannot rely on the courts, and ultimately when the Supreme Court decides, most likely next summer, the summer of 2012, it is going to be a 4-5 decision, and it could go either way. This is too consequential to leave just to the courts for a decision. We need to continue to have our voice heard. That's one of the reasons we wrote this book. I hope people will get the book because it's written to help the American people understand how this law is affecting them, families, young people, senior citizens, taxpayers, employers, all of us. And it's written in a way people can really understand what's in the law and how it's going to affect us, why Obamacare is wrong for America. So thank you very much, and I look forward to the battles with you.
Again, thank you for your time with us. That's Grace Marie Turner and her new book out this week, Why Obamacare is Wrong.